Yay! Yes, we're gonna make some kimchi pancake today. Okay, the ingredients are very simple, okay? But the most important thing you need will be kimchi, okay? I have kimchi already in the bowl, and I have the kimchi juice. You have to have the kimchi juice, okay? If you don't have the kimchi juice, it's not kimchi, okay, pancake. All right, good. All right, here it goes. So first, you can mix flour, right? I found this brand here. Very readily available anywhere in Thailand. Okay, so I have 1 cup of that and 1 cup of just regular flour. So get that, we put it inside the bowl and regular flour, and we're gonna crack an egg. Okay, now we're gonna mix them up a little bit. Okay, now you want to add some kimchi juice. Okay, bit of time, put that there. Now you mix it up. Okay. Okay. And also you're going to add some water. By equivalent, same amount. So since we added kimchi, so we'll put some little bit, about 1.5 cup. Okay, with just that little bit. You mix it up. Now kimchi is going to be the last after you mix up all the dough, nice and slimy. Batter mixed up really good. Takes a little while. Make sure you don't have to remove. Mix it up really good so all the clumps of the flour is gone. Okay. All right, speed this up a little bit. If you want to eat, you like to add some meat, you could do so, but it gotta be small pieces. You could add chicken, pork, beef, whatever you want. But beef can be a little bit tough, so you gotta cook it for longer, which is not an idea. Chicken would be an idea, small pieces. If you want to add some tofu in there, you could add some tofu, make it all vegetarian. All right, there's kimchi. Now, how you want the kimchi to be really small, tiny. So use a scissor. You don't have to put on a cutting board, washing anything. Scissor does it all. You want to make sure that kimchi is nice, sour, and fermented. If it's not a fermented, if it's fresh kimchi, it's not gonna be, it's not gonna taste really good. Okay. All right. So I'm chopping them up, dicing them up. If you like the big chunks to be inside of your pancake, then you could do so. I like to make it nice and fine, small pieces. Okay. Just like that. Okay. All right, that's done. Hold on just a second. I'll mix it up. Make sure I get all the clumps out of there. All right. This is it. This is that color. Nice kind of orange. Once you put it inside the frying pan, once you start cooking, it's going to turn nice and golden orange. Okay. All the kimchi in there. Okay. Now mix them up. Yay! There you have it, guys. If you think you put too much water inside of it, it's okay. You could add a little bit more flour, just like this. Get a little bit of flour, chip them in there slowly, just a little bit of time. Okay, you could add it up. Now, if it's too thick, you could add more water into it. You could always adjust your batter too. All right, I think this is pretty good. Okay, that's done. Put that away. Clean as you go. Alright, now that I'm ready, I'm going to heat up the stove. Get my pan nice and hot. Trick is, it's going to stick to your pan. If you have a nice brand new Teflon pan, then it won't. So, important thing is you want to add enough vegetable oil. You get nice and hot here, okay? Get it nice and hot, and I'll add some vegetable oil. You cannot use olive oil because the temperature is going to get really hot. And if you have sesame oil, you can mix some sesame oil inside of it, okay? I want to coat this frying pan nice. Okay, this one, it's not my idea of using this pan because the coating is all disappeared, scraped off, okay? Okay, take it nice and hot. Okay, now, you could use a small little spoon to gather it. I just like to pour it in, okay? All right, here it goes. Okay, you don't want to put too much, just enough to coat it. Thinner the better, it gets more crispier that way. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna move it around, spread it around evenly. Okay. All right. And now I'm gonna get into it and make sure the bottom is not stuck. Okay, very good. Now there's a trick to flipping it. Okay, easy way is to put your stuff in the back as you're flipping it to the bottom, just like that. Okay. All right. Simple, huh? Look at that, nice and golden brown. Mmm. 1, 2. All right, there it goes. Ready? Ta-da! Look at that. Mmm. Does it look delicious? All right. While that's cooling off, I'm gonna make a few other ones. Yes. Okay. Now, I'm gonna show how to flip it. Okay. Try this in one time. Ready? Oh, failed. Okay, don't worry. Pull that right back out. You could save it. Do it. Okay. There you go. Are we ready? Oh, while that's getting ready, I'm gonna show you how to cut the pancake and then use the seasoning. Okay, it's very simple. Soy sauce. Oops. Okay, we have soy sauce, red pepper. You can just find if you don't like the big one, and green onion. If you have some sesame oil, you like to put some sesame oil, you could add sesame oil in there and just mix it up just like that. Okay, some people like vinegar, so you could add some vinegar in there, okay? This is 3 cups of soy sauce, cup of onion, and a tablespoon of red pepper. If you wanted a vinegary test, you could put about a spoon, 1/3 spoon of vinegar, okay? All right, there it goes. All right, a lot of people don't like to cut it and eat it. I like to cut it. It's easy. Yes. Okay, now this one's ready to eat. Okay, you wanna give it a try, Tristan?
It's okay, spicy.
All right. Mmm. Nice and crispy on the outside and moisture on the inside with plenty of kimchi.
Aye.
Okay, this time without the salt. Mmm. Now you could add a little bit of sugar in there if you want a bit sweeter flavor. I just like to use just regular mother and father kimchi, okay? Make sure it's nice and sour and nice and ripe, okay? Pickled timely. If not, it's not gonna taste the same, okay? Alright guys, what do you say, Tristan? Say bye-bye.